Hello, I'm High Heel Knight. Welcome to my channel. It's High Heel Hump Day, and we're going to look at the Kristin Cavallari Chinese Laundry LILLA Heeled Sandal. I got these shoes from a friend of mine named Roxy. She and her husband were relocating, and she had this online garage sale. So I looked at her collection. I got several of her shoes. So this will be the first of many videos of shoes I acquired from Roxy. Now this right here, the LILLA Heeled Sandal, it comes in 4 colors. There's a black, gray, sage, and tiger's eye. This color right here, this is the tiger's eye color, which is a fantastic name. It's so fantastic. I wonder why the other names are just boring, generic terms. But anyway, let's take a closer look at the LILLA Heeled Sandal designed by Kristin Cavallari for Chinese laundry. Alright, I've got these lovely LILLA sandals all set up, and I have my standard 12-inch ruler here. Take off about 1/8 of an inch from the bottom to the 0. I saw one website listed as 4.5, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really like right at the 4 mark if we make for that compensation of the 0 to the bottom. So it's really just like a 4 and a a beat or a breath instead of 4.5. Now I know some folks struggle with certain height levels, but because of this phenomenal heel, which is what interests me in the shoe in the first place, is thick and it's not a rectangular. It has this nice little forward slope that I find fantastic. So that's one of the things that interests me in getting this style of shoe. And because it is a designer on the bottom of the shoe, hopefully the camera will get it pretty well, but we have Kristin Cavallari's autograph over there. It's underneath both shoes, and I'm glad that it's underneath that part, so hopefully, as you travel, not much dirt or dust or anything like that will affect it. Now, put that down for the side. So it has the sling back right here, and there is not much give for the sling back. You can adjust it a little bit with the holes area, but on the underside, there's just this little bit of elastic, very little, along the loop. Some have it on this part, next to the shoe, or the other side, sort of hidden. But no, this is just right there, and it's not that much give. So if you have very thick ankles, you might have a problem. So with the toes, you can get 2 or 3 toes depending on how big your toes are, but I've seen a lot of folks it's 3 toes. So it's not a full presentation of the toes, but still I like that. It's more than a peep, but not a full toes showing sandal. And it has this great suede all over the shoe, not just the main part of the foot area, but also on the heel as well. Oh, there's a little nick there from my friend, but that's fine. All along the heels. Now, something interesting. My friend, she sent me pictures, and she tried to find any details, any bad marks or anything like that. So one of the other shoes I got did have a nick, a little mark, but these shoes seem fine. And I noticed that one was a little dirtier than the other. I figured maybe she just was left-handed. I didn't know what hand she was with at the time, but I figured maybe she spilled something one day or something like that. And okay, fine, whatever, no big deal. So when I actually got the shoes, and again, she did send me pictures and stuff, so it's not like it was a surprise. And I took a closer look. I noticed that I would feel inside. I would feel something. What is that? What am I feeling? What am I feeling? Wasn't feeling this thing. I was like, what is that thing I'm feeling that wasn't in here? And it turns out that there was an old Band-Aid stuck underneath here. So at some point she had some type of injury to her left foot, her toes, and wore a Band-Aid, and somehow that Band-Aid got stuck up in there. So that's why these stains are a bit of blood. So as soon as I figured that out, I sanitized myself, I sanitized my hands, sanitized the shoe. So, and thankfully this happened before the whole global health crisis. This is several months before this, so I didn't go into a peak panic about it. But yeah, I was like, ooh, that was interesting. But you know, there are a lot worse garage sale stories out there than finding an old, very old Band-Aid in the shoe. Alright, but other than that, you know, these are cool. And again, this color is Tiger's Eye, which is a great name. Why it's the only one with an interesting name, I don't know. All in all, very cool, very stylish, very hard to find, so you might have to do some digging online to find a pair for yourself, but if you can get them, I recommend them. Okay, so those were the LILLA HEELED Sandals by Kristin Cavallari for Chinese laundry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share whatever comments you like in the comment section. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or dislike, share, and subscribe. Once again, I'm High Heel Knight. Thank you for watching, and remember, find inspiration everywhere.